Can we reopen Instagram photos that we have already viewed? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can reopen Instagram photos that we have already viewed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Instagram and head over to the chat where you have been sent a photo picture. So open that up and yeah, let's view the photo. Now, as you can see, I've just viewed this photo. Now, if I go back, I can view it once again. Now, this is because I have sent the person that have sent me this picture has sent me in the mode where I can replay it. But after you've done with the replay, there is no way you can again see the photo. Now, you can try that again with another photo and the other one, and it's the same for that. Now, when you can view this twice, but when the photo has been sent in view once mode, you can only view it once. Now, as you can see, there is no actual way you can again reopen the Instagram photos that you have already viewed. Now, there is a roundabout way in Android devices, but for iPhone, I have not yet found such ways. So yeah, I don't think it's not possible to reopen Instagram photos that you have already viewed. And yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.